morning from Alappuzha. So now Alappuzha is well known for backwaters, and right now we've just got onto the end of the boat, which has 2 deckers. One decker for tourists, even locals, people, and another decker which is down for local people who travel to some of the different places. Now these backwaters were usually used and a few more years back or few years back, but nowadays because of developments like roads, people no longer use them too much, but otherwise people still come and use them. And that boat is a private boat, but I think owned by that family, and those are some of the boats that take tourists onto their journeys on these backwaters to explore around. And as you see, there is a road there, and that's let me move around and show you. That's a water taxi over there, and yeah, I think that's it. Maybe to give you a tour of the boat. I think that's our boat captain. And down here you'll see the rest of the boat, where local people come and sit. So let's go and move on to our adventure. This boat with rooms, and this boat costs 60 rupees per person. Then if you want to go down, it can cost you around 28 rupees. Then if you want a private boat, it can cost you more, even though I've been asked. And right now we are just moving and picking people from different stations. As you can see, some people over there, and moving around. Now here there is something interesting that I'm going to show you. Who told you that women can't use boats? And here is some woman fishing or traveling around in a boat, and this is really very, very interesting. Wow. Hello, ma'am. Bye. And then you get some and here you get a lot of families with people. Instead of going inside the house and showering, you know, just jump into the backyard of your house and jump into the water and shower. So you see the man there is calling people and delivering either vegetables or whatever he's selling. And there are a lot of like mobile shops that are in these boats. I saw some boats that are Ayurvedic medicine and stuff, and then there are some shops which will be delivering things to these people, like mobile shops and other grocery shops on these backwaters. And yeah, in some morning like this, you will see a man and a woman moving around, maybe either going to work or somewhere, escorting the wife to go and work, most probably. Yeah. And I have a temple over there. You can see there is an Ayurvedic center, and which is a hospital. And then you can see there is a hotel or a shop or something like a restaurant. Yeah. And then there you get some Ayurvedic massage center over there. So one of the things that I've noticed here is that houses are built with pins and raised up. You can see that house sort of raised up, and even especially that house over there. That one, it's sort of raised up and built on top, not down, because they do that for when the water overflows from here, so that it doesn't enter. And you have kids over there showering, you have their mom over there washing utensils and clothes. Yeah, so like this is the life here, and also that's the different kind of construction that you find here. And this is the lowest point of India, as I've searched on Google and as I've been informed, and it's called Kuta, which basically means a place where most places like these of backwaters are found. That's making it like the lowest point. And let's explore around. And over there you have construction workers transporting rocks to put on those edges. They are working behind the clock before the water starts overflowing into their houses. And finally found a school in this place. We have a secondary school, SNPD, and an English medium school, and that's the school boat. Instead of a bus, you have a school boat bus. Hey. And another temple over there, and some cattle grazing. And what else am I seeing around? Basically, life is just the same, normal here, just the way how it is outside. The only difference is that there is water transport here, and people are just living their own lives, you know. And I've just found a church here, and probably there's a school around. FE Camel Public School, something like that. And that's a church. So basically Christians around here, they will go there and pray, and you get a small sort of like a temple, something like that, for the church. Then I think this is a college or something. So yeah, people here basically they are also educated, very much educated. Like you would think like this place they maybe go for studies in the city or something like that, but yeah, they have everything here they need. They have temples, they have churches, they have schools, they have transport, like everything. They have food, shops, mobile hospitals. Yeah, I guess what's left is to find police in this locality, and then I think that will be it. And also look for a place to eat. We haven't reached where we are going, but I'll be showing you around. And people here have transport soil too. Amongst the things required to construct a house or something, because apparently soil is not enough here. So soil is brought by the boats by those people, and stone. Yeah, most of the construction stuff is transported by those boats. Finally arrived at the place and go and eat some food. So in the hotel here, found the restaurant, whatever. Ordered for parota and peas curry, and let's give it a taste. And some black tea. Very not good at giving food reviews, I'll try my best.
Good.
Nice. Have these spices they put, which are sort of like this. I ordered for fish, so this is good. Yeah, so now the fish is here and it's time to give it a review. I think I should start with this. It's hot. It's very hot. Very nice.
You?
Have to be careful with fish. Small bones.
What's in this one? What's in it?
It's nice. You want some? Yeah. Steak. It's really nice. And that's it with the breakfast from that hotel over there. And I think make this a wrap. And I'll just walk around and see you in the next video. And this is Alappuzha, and that's a high school actually, so bye. And small shop and gas construction, and yeah, and we'll call this a day. Bye, see you.